as long as there is a pending franchise or pending bill for extension of franchise, they are deemed extended.
Even if mag-break kayo sa March 14.
They can still operate.
But sir,
They can, if it is not approved until no, March 2022. That is the only time that it is terminated. Basta as long as may naka-file na it is deemed extended. Naka-file kahit anumang password.
Kasi operation,
It has happened so many
sir, operations yan of operations yan of law, operations
That is the operations
of law.
but sir, saying wala nang legal basis na mag-operate.
Hindi lang nila nare-review. I used to be chairman of public services in the 10th Congress. Don't forget.
So pwede.
For ABS-CBN.
Bakit naman pwede ba?
Entire Congress.
What? It's deemed extended.
Until ba tapos yung 18th Congress?
Yung
18th Congress.
Kung until matapos yung 18th Congress, kung nakapending pa rin at hindi hinihil.
Sir, can you say a mic?
Ang akala nyo ba pagdating ng March?
Stop na daw.
Kailangan hinto na sila?
Senator Drilon.
Siya Pimentel din. Ganun yun.
No, that's not true. That's not correct. They better check on the document.